At Christmas, I ruined my cupboard. I stuck a load of snowflakes on there, and then when I pulled them off, half the paint came with it. So today we are repainting again. So we're off to the shed. We're gonna sand it. We're gonna go outside to sand it, and it looks really cold outside today. So, sorry, I'm trying to get shoes on. It looks really cold outside today, so I am hoping I'm not gonna freeze to death. Rhapsody for you and me. Okay, it is kind of freezing, but we got this. We got this, we got this. And I'm officially regretting the jumper. I am now warm. Jesus. Jeez, they're just not staying on today. Jesus. That took a while. Still got to do the back and the edges.